Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you enjoy wearing nail lacquer but want that extra strength and protection for your manicure? Keep watching because today we're going to show you how to encapsulate your nail lacquer using dip powder. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to see future videos, and hit the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Alright, so now we're going to prep the nails using a drill bit or a buffer, and you're just going to remove the shine from your nails. Shape as desired. Now we're going to apply a nice thin layer of Pro Base, and then you're going to dip into D75 Vivian, which is our clear, to give your nail that extra strength and durability for when you apply your polish. Now it's time to go and grab that perfect Revel mates that you want to use today. We are using M353 Sabrina, which is the perfect hot pink. Now we're going to apply 2 to 3 layers of polish from cuticle line to free edge, and then you're going to wait 2 minutes. Now you're going to apply a layer of Pro Base over top of the polish, and then dip into D75 clear to encapsulate that polish on your nails. Now again, we're going to brush off the excess powder. It's time to apply our first layer of activator. This layer is a very generous amount, making sure that you're covering the whole nail from the cuticle to free edge. Let dry for 2 minutes. Now shape nails with file or drill bit and smooth out the nails with a buffer. This is our final layer of activator, and you're going to apply this over the whole nail again, and then you're going to wait 15 seconds to dry. Now we're going to gently wipe the nail with a clean lint-free paper towel, and then apply our first layer of finish gel in 2 to 3 strokes. After 15 seconds, we're going to apply our second layer of finish gel in more even and detailed strokes, just ensuring that we're covering the whole nail from cuticle to free edge. My favorite part about ending a manicure is applying the Revel Nail Cuticle Oil. Make sure you wait 2 minutes for your manicure to dry before applying this. Alright, now this is how to encapsulate your polish with Revel Nail Dip Powder. Comment below, I'm dying to hear what your favorite Revel Mate shade is. Mine is D363 Lola, the softest purple ever, perfect for any season. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. See you later, bye!